Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you the notorious headband wig that I've been dodging for months because it's practically a half wig. But when Her Given Hair asked to do a sponsorship with kinky hair closer to my texture, I was like, yeah, sure, let's do this. They sent 2 boxes for protection, and inside the box you have this 18-inch kinky 4B4C texture. Of course, you can customize these things, and 4 pieces of headgear, 2 headbands, 1 hair scarf, and a hair tube, also a bag to protect your hair when it's not in use, and instructions because we all need those. Inside the wig cap you've got north, east, west, south combs, and you also have a velcro fastener for the headband, so be careful of that because it eats hair. Moving right along, I'm going to wash my hair, and I'm using my Lotta Body shampoo. It needs to go. I've had it for 3 years, I believe now. It's almost embarrassing. I have too many hair products. That's not important. We need to wash this hair because kinky hair tends to look crazy when it's not properly washed, detangled, and defined. Yeah, it has some definition when it first comes, but it just doesn't look the same. That processing, the processed look does not look good. But when you wash it, condition it, and then moisturize it, it looks so nice, fluffy, juicy, 100% better than before, and it's not as compressed, so you get to see the true density. Now I am rinsing everything out, and I'm going to condition the hair using some cheap old conditioner. I think I got it from Sally Beauty. It was like cholesterol from Silk Elements or something. I don't know. I can't remember. All I know is everything must go, and I'm trying to use up all my products. I'm not buying anything else, okay? After about 5 minutes, I rinsed it out, and I am going to lay the wig down on a towel to dry for about an hour, let things soak, and this is what we're looking like. Pin everything behind the band so I don't destroy the integrity of the band, and I'm putting my hair up so I can detangle. I am using my Entwine leave-in conditioner. I love this leave-in conditioner and Entwine in general. Just recently purchased some of their products. Had no business doing that because I have too many hair products, but I did it anyway because I never run out of Entwine products. And I'm also using this super trendy brush. It's the Felicia Leatherwood inspired brush. Everybody's using it on YouTube, Instagram, everything. I don't use brushes on my natural hair, but I figured maybe it would be good for my hair extensions since so many people love the brush so much, and it works pretty well. I'm still getting the hang of it. This was purely experimental, and I took out more hair than I should have. So what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to link a video up above and a video down below so you can see how to properly detangle your kinky hair extensions. That way you won't have too much damage, breakage, and all of that, because this hair is expensive. I've said it before and I'll say it again. It's not cheap, so we want to take good care of our hair. This was my shedding. I can definitely get less shedding than that, but this is what it looks like, nice and fluffy, and I'm gonna let it dry for about a day, and this is what my hair is looking like. African hair threading sections in the front and a gang of ugly braids in the back. We will not look at those. Remove the African hair threading sections so that I can put the wig on and spice things up a little bit. And I am going to be using my porosity equalizer on my hair. I like using this in between wash days, whenever I'm protective styling, whenever I remember. And I'm going to talk to you guys about my porosity and damage and things like that, and why I use products like these. So I am also going to use some oil to make things easy for me. Have some slip going on in there and make it easy for me to just slide my hair back to the very back and braid it, because I don't want to clip or pin anything. These are not permanent styles. I'm just showing you styling options with this wig. I'm not braiding all the way back either because I don't want to suffer taking out the braid. Do not remove the Velcro. What I did, don't do it. Just leave it attached. You don't want it snagging your hair. And I am putting the comb down there as well, bringing the whole wig back to make sure it's nice and secure, and then going all the way back around to the very front to make sure everything's sitting nicely where it should. Now that that's out of the way, I'm going right back to the back to tension everything, and then after that put the comb underneath the strap so that way I'm not combing my hair or snagging my hair. I do not like using combs. We all know this. I've been saying this for years. So I tuck my headband under so that the combs do not interact with my hair, and this is what we're looking like. Looks pretty natural to me, except my hair is a little bit darker than the wig, so I fluffed it, and I have this huge voluminous Angela Davis afro. Well, this is a little bit bigger than her hair, I think, but it looks great. Okay, so we're gonna move right along to the headband, remove all of this because I can't exactly put the headband on all of that, redo all of that, and then put the headband on top. I like this black one more than the animal print one because the black one matches most of my outfits and it's very simple and elegant. So this is a nice casual look for the headband. We are going to move right along and explore our options with this wig because we don't want to just have wigs that do one thing, you know? We want to see if we can be casual, classy, cute, all of that, okay? Put the wig back on and remove the section of hair in the front. You can wear it as an afro. I'm not gonna wet my hair in this video, but you know, if I were to do it like clip-ins, I'd probably wet my hair a little bit more and then just bring the hair forward and bring my hair back to cover anything there that might try to poke out and show itself. So there's that. Of course, with a little bit of shrinkage, it will look better, and with the color change also, it will look better. But I wanted to do a half up, half down, and I pulled my hair back. Use some Lovely Bees edge control. That was not a good idea because I ended up having this really weird slicked in the front and then too poofy right behind look like hat hair. It was a mess, but we're just gonna roll with this, okay? I got my Swirly Curly Snap Scrunchie. I am a Swirly Curly affiliate, so I'll have information about it down below along with a coupon code. These are ouchless hair ties and they are perfect for your hair. I'm also using Her Given Hair's square scarf to tie everything down. Again, this did not work out. It looked like hat hair. I don't know what I was thinking. I used the Pattern Beauty mist bottle to wet my hair and make it have a little bit more hang time so it could be better looking and not so poofy. And if you want something to sleep in, let's say you want to sleep like this overnight, theoretically speaking, don't wet your hair, of course. You can use this oversized bonnet by Natural Black Beautiful. I showed you guys a long time ago. It's like everything I'm showing you, you've seen before, but I showed you guys this a long time ago, and I love that to sleep in when my hair is really big. So I'm gonna link everything down below, including the hair. Everything you need to know is gonna be down there, okay? And this is what I did. I fluffy and scruffified it on the hairline because it was just too slick and everything else was poofy. But after I let it down, it looked really good. See that? That looks really good. That afro, yeah, the lower afro looks really good. So I'm gonna wrap things up with this nice elegant hairstyle. Perfect bridal, evening out, date night, whatever. Just something super classy, super elegant, and just roll, tuck, and pin basically on both sides. And you can leave it like this. I promise I'm gonna tuck that band area in the back. At some point you'll see it tucked in, but I also used my Swirly Curly Snap Scrunchie, two of them joined together to tie it so it could be a little bit lower, and then I got one and tied it down to tighten that big puff. Then I removed the two that I used in the beginning, and here we go. This is it. Nice, classy, elegant look. You guys let me know what your favorite look was. Thank you so much, Her Given Hair, for sending me this wig. And I will have all the information in the description box. Please continue to take good care of yourselves. I look forward to talking to you in my next video, but until then, you can catch me in the community tab. Bye-bye!